Hey CHEFIT sisters, today on CHEFIT we're doing a smoothie recipe that combines one of my favorite breakfast items in drink form. This recipe that we're working on today is actually a blueberry pancake smoothie. Blueberries are a great ingredient to add into your smoothies because they actually help with muscle recovery. The antioxidants found in them help reduce all those free radicals in the body that can cause things like muscle damage and inflammation. So they are a great thing to add into your smoothie. We're also using plain Greek yogurt, oats, a little bit of vanilla and maple syrup to help give it that pancake flavor. So let's build our smoothie. So first, we're gonna add our blueberries. And these blueberries are actually frozen, so that's gonna help give it that smoothie consistency without using too much ice. I always like to freeze my fruit before putting it into smoothies. Next, I'll go ahead and add my oats. Oats are a great prebiotic, so a lot of times we hear about probiotics that are in our yogurt, but oats actually help feed those probiotics. So you always need a prebiotic to go with your probiotic to make it successful. So next, we will add that probiotic right on top, which is our Greek yogurt. And I'm using plain for this recipe. You could also use vanilla if you want to boost up that flavor a little bit. And then we'll add in our maple syrup to help it taste like that blueberry pancake. Vanilla extract. We'll pour in our milk. And then our ice will go in last. And this will just help it blend up, get nice and cold, and give us that smoothie texture. So really quick, about 30 seconds, and then we're ready to pour our smoothie. So this smoothie is exactly like your favorite breakfast, except it's a lot healthier because we have those oats, blueberries, and we're not adding any refined sugars to this, just pure maple syrup. Thank you so much for joining us on CHEFIT. I'm Jen, and you can find all these recipes at chefit.com. We'll see you next time.